Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm so happy that you guys are watching this video. And today we have a new friend over here. She is Dr. Priti.
Hello.
And she is also a makeup freak addict. And I think she might continue.
Yes, although I might add, I'm very upset. I wasn't called earlier.
Oh, it's
I'm it's very upsetting.
And she's leaving to US. Sorry, Australia.
Australia.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, there's gonna be some heat down under. But anyways, yes, I wasn't planning on telling people that, but thank you. Nobody knows I'm leaving yet.
Okay, she's leaving.
I hate saying goodbyes, so nobody knows.
I can understand. And today we are doing our
Daily routine,
daily makeup, which we have already done.
Yes,
and we'll be showing you guys.
Which she tricked me. By the way, mine was supposed to get
I
in 5 minutes.
Seriously,
5 minutes, and she tricked me. She's like, "Oh, Dhriti, you should go slow," and I'm like, "Okay, I will go slow."
No,
and then she's like, "Bam, I'm done." I'm like, "What?" I'm like,
no, that's because she has very less makeup, and I have tons of makeup like foundation, concealer, etc. and she didn't have any of those
yes.
at all.
Yes, anything
So
that helps you make
obviously-
feel better. Okay. I'm just like very angry. Very
So
upset.
I hope you like this video.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Yes. So the first thing I do is moisturize my skin with this Bobbi Brown vitamin N.
I've heard good things about it.
It
like
is
every
really good.
YouTuber raves about it.
Seriously, mainly Jeffree Star.
I saw Manny
MUA. That's very
too,
true.
but it's very expensive. It will cost me my kidney. So I start with this. This is like a very good under eye cream.
Okay.
It helps me fake sleep.
It
like
is
8 hours of sleep. This is Lancome's Energy DB. It's very French and romantic.
Okay.
And it helps me pretend that I wasn't Netflixing and chilling the whole entire night. Yeah, I like it. Like, it's very cooling.
Okay.
You can use it as much as you want.
Does it remove the dark circles?
It does not. So that's one thing it does not do. I mean, it just like depuffs your under eye area.
Okay.
So that's all it does.
And this even primes your face. So 2-in-1.
Yeah.
Moisturizer
You know what?
plus
I saw a lot of people use like a beauty blender to just like dab it in and then it
I'm not that fancy.
Yeah. So
Okay. The next thing is I use a foundation. The foundation which I use is L'Oreal.
I'm not a foundation kind of girl, so I just like mix a little of my moisturizer and a little of my sunblock, and that's all I do.
What sunblock is that?
So this is Clinique's Super City Block. It has SPF 40, and I pretend that I'm doing my skin some good, which I'm pretty sure.
It has a tint or something.
It has like a little bit of tint, but it's not seen as much.
Okay.
So like what I do is like just like take my moisturizer at the back of my hand, because then I'm too lazy to like attempt to do anything else. Okay, this needs a refill, but we're gonna pretend that I have enough to like get through this. So I just like mix it, and then you'll see with me I tend to like use a lot of like my fingers most of the time because I'm very lazy.
Okay. But brush is really fast.
I know, but we're gonna pretend mine is faster and better because I'm lazy to clean my brushes and I don't want to end up with like an infection that I inflicted on myself.
I can understand. But your skin is perfect, man.
Thanks.
Now just turn to it, that is all.
Yeah, I was born with it, or so I tell people. But I think recently I've understood the importance of taking care of your skin, like as we age. Like so, I like started spending less on makeup and more on skin products.
I know. Same thing here.
Like the Estee Lauder serum. I couldn't afford food for a month after that.
I can understand.
Yeah, but
okay. So next thing which I do is conceal my dark circles with this Makeup Revolution C12.
the next thing
Do you conceal?
No, I don't.
Okay.
And see, with me, I think most of the times I just like my imperfections showing through, and also because I'm very lazy. That's like the bottom line of everything I do. Laziness. So the next step that I do is I like powder my face because then I have a very oily T-zone.
Okay.
And I think I like Clinique a lot because it tends to like not.
One second, I'm just using a mirror.
Sure. So this I can do without a mirror actually.
For concealer, I just use my fingers.
That's the easiest
I
way
know,
actually than using a BB, like a beauty
like
blender.
a beauty blender.
Yeah. I love how I said BB. Then BB can stand for a lot of things. Okay, so I'm done.
You're done.
Yep. See, you have to understand with me, it's gonna be like incredibly like nothing. No, like I think the major thing I do is just like apply lipstick on my face and then pretend that I'm well put together.
Okay, the next thing which I use loose powder.
Uh,
Okay, it's just RCMA powder. I just buff it around all over my face. That is all.
The next thing that I do is I like using penitent.
Okay.
So
after applying your
yeah, so after like applying my
setting your face, then
setting
you...
my face, I just use this because it's easier. And then I'm gonna pretend your phone didn't buzz in the background, even though you made me.
I just stole it.
And then you just like asked me to like switch off my phone.
I know.
Yes, and then we forget to turn it off ourselves. And then I just like use my fingers to blend it in.
Oh my god, that is really nice.
I know. I told you, right? I prefer doing minimal things, but then yeah.
Seriously. Okay, now after this,
so after this, what I do is
I go for eyebrows. I can never be without filling my eyebrows. You have good eyebrows.
Thank you.
Seriously.
I'm trying to grow the bush, so when I leave, I don't have to worry about threading or whatever. I'll just... So
I think so many of you guys are going to ask whether she's single or not. That she can answer.
I prefer to not answer that question on the grounds that I don't want to. Yes, so moving on. So the next thing I use is this Dior.
Okay.
I think I've like everybody I knew, I've made them buy this.
Yeah,
People,
I have got it after she told me. She recommended me that to just get it. It was an impulse buy for me. I didn't even try it. I just went and got it. It's awesome, guys.
Yes,
seriously.
you should get this, and then Dior can pay me for endorsing that. See, exactly.
Once again.
Okay.
So sorry for the call.
Stealing back the mirror that was originally intended for me.
Okay.
Okay.
So before she does her
Yeah,
gloss,
yeah.
I just mascara. I don't apply mascara.
That's after. That depends on how much time I have.
Okay.
Because usually I prefer to sleep, then do all of this. So most of the times I just like apply this and I'm done. If I want to be a little fancy, then I just apply like a nude shade.
Okay.
And I've gotten into the habit of like, you know, using my fingers to apply.
What color is that?
So this is Estee Lauder's. So basically Estee Lauder's global beauty director. She came out with her own range. So this is her range. So it's Violet Pure Color Envy in the shade 215 Posse.
Okay.
I think that's how it's pronounced. But okay. So I've just applied with my finger because then it's not as intense. It just like looks like a very natural tint. Okay.
So for lipstick, I just use any nude pink shade. So at present, I'm using Colourpop Cami.
Oh yeah,
It's really nice.
you're talking to me about it. I really wanna like check it out. Can I borrow a kajal from you? Cause I forgot mine.
Okay, I don't use kajal, but once again, I'll just get it.
Yes. Or there's one in my bag. Okay. Yeah. So the next step would be my eyes. And I need that mirror back. It was originally intended for me. Why? Why would you do that to me? Thanks. Here are two girls fighting for their mirror.
I am done. Yay!
How did you get done before me? I had less steps than you.
She had very less makeup, so I thought she would get it over very quickly. But
You tricked me.
I did not.
You tricked
No,
me. Oh
never.
my god. Like, I can't believe you just did that to me. I'm gonna take a little time to do so. And then I just like smudge it a little.
Okay.
Okay, and
Oh, that's really nice.
yeah, I just like
Just giving you a
smoked out look
Yeah.
and then also pretend that I put in effort, which I did not. And then depending on whether or not I have time, I do use mascara. Most of the times I can just get away with it. A lot of people ask me if I have fake lashes and I'm like,
No, even I've asked you, do you remember?
Yeah, that was the first question
When
you
I
asked
saw
me.
it
Like,
first,
are those lashes for real? I'm like, yes, pluck it and see. Those like are very real hair. So I like this roller lash.
Okay, for by benefit, right?
Yeah, it's really good. Although it was given to me for free because I bought a lot of makeup.
Lucky you.
Yes. So, and most of the times I just like end up like,
Those are really nice.
I know. For me, the thing is, the reason I like this more is because it has this like very narrow bristle, so you can use it for like your lower lash line. But I think for like everyday look, it's just gotta be like a little bit too dramatic, so I don't do it. Yes, I am done also.
Done.
I would have been done earlier if you hadn't like tricked me, but okay, we're gonna pretend that did not happen.
So guys, we're done with our daily makeup.
Yes.
Daily office wear, hospital wear
Yeah,
makeup.
the lazy gal's guide
The
to
fast, quick makeup.
Yes.
So then I hope you guys liked it.
Yes.
And please do like this video.
Yes,
And do
please.
subscribe.
And if anybody wants to give me free makeup, I'll send you my address. Do so.
Me too. Bye bye.
Bye.